Hello everyone, this is the start of my weekend in Boston vlog. My first time going to the city of Boston in my life, as far as I can remember. And I'm so excited. I'm visiting my friend Marissa. She lives in a suburb around Boston. I'm so excited to see the city. Hopefully it's gonna be nice this weekend. It's supposed to be nice here in New York for the first time in forever. And I think Boston should be similar. It might rain on Sunday, but I'm coming back Sunday, so I don't even have the full day. So I'm gonna bring you guys with. I just packed and finished my last vlog like in the last hour. So if you saw that, I was packing, and that I just have, I mean, I'm only going for a couple days, so I just have this little bag and a backpack, which is still overpacking, I'm sure, but you know how it goes. Love to have options, and especially when the weather might be iffy, like I wanted to have a couple different things. It's gonna be heavy. I'm going to get a bus at Port Authority and taking the bus to Boston. It's like 4 hours and something. I think a little over 4 hours. So got books, got my laptop to do some work, hopefully. I'm hoping it's not super full. I haven't taken a bus, like a long-term bus, for a long time. I think since pandemic times. Probably when I went to DC right before the pandemic hit. So a year and a half. I love how we're all going through this phase of doing everything for the first time in a year and a half. So I'm gonna pack my little shoulder bag. Got my keys, got my AirPods. And I'll put my camera in here. The charger's all packed. I need to tighten my shoe. I'm gonna go swing by Whole Foods and pick up a couple snacks. I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Need my water bottle and we'll be off. So welcome to the Boston vlog. I'm excited to just get out of the city, go on an adventure, go somewhere new, and bring you guys along. I haven't done like a travel vlog or really like a travel weekend in forever. So let's go. Wait, what's it? Oh, I see. Prudential says Prudential on it. Nice. Oh, it's actually rotating up there?
Yeah, well, inside there's a turntable.
Oh, I see, I see. I saw Boston University also coming in.
Yeah, I love these buildings.
I know, these are so cool, especially right by, it's nice how by the freeway, it's not just like billboards, you know, how most freeways are. Like, you actually see the city from it.
Billboards here.
There she is, Fenway Park. Yeah, I think I saw people in it. And all the buildings around it too look so cool. Like there's a like bar scene around Fenway, right? Okay.
Yeah.
There it goes. Oh, the Boston Red Sox. Hi, I'm Marissa Messina. Oh, I love that we get to drive into the sunset. A lovely welcome to Boston. Good morning. We are headed to Lexington and Concord this morning for a walk. So this is where Paul Revere stopped. We're in Lexington and Concord, touring the little Battlegrounds stops.
Open up a public room on the other side, and people can come in, get a bit to drink, a little bit of food. If they need to, there's room upstairs for them to camp out for the night. It's usually men driving livestock down the road.
It's just so picturesque with like the trees and the sun coming through and all these beautiful houses. The obelisk in the distance.
With the news of a British redcoat force, about 700 strong, marching toward Concord from Boston. As the redcoats marched into town, Concord's minute and militia companies withdrew to the hills beyond the river. The commander of the British soldiers, Lieutenant Colonel Francis Smith, divided his men and sent them throughout the town to search for military supplies known to be hidden there.
country music station in Boston at noon every day. Plays the national.
I live America.
Do they have the same girl sing it every day?
Nope, new person every day.
Oh, okay, okay. We're so gallantly streaming. This means more now that we just passed the battleground where it happened. Yeah, people here really love America, huh?
We made it happen.
It's like Daniel.
Ladies, don't forget. On the count of 3 for 5 seconds.
It'd be such a nice day to be on a boat too. I got this strawberry meringue, it looks amazing, and a nitro cold brew. And we finally made it to Tatte. Everyone was telling me to go, and we tried to go to one down by the water, and it was not open. But we found this one, we came to Back Bay. And what is this, Marissa?
Chocolate.
Ooh, mousse, right? It's like something inside.
It looks good.
It looks delicious. They had a lot of really yummy looking pastries, so can't go wrong. Look at the juxtaposition of this old church and this brand new building. Well, I don't know how new it is, but pretty crazy.
Constructed in 1877.
Wow. That's wild.
I was established in 1994 for reference.
Thank you, that puts a lot in perspective for us. Look at these massive doors. I wish it was open so we could see the inside. That'd be so cool. But they're having like little stands out here. We think this is Copley Square. Not even sure. It's pretty wild. Oh my god, look at these shorts. Oh my god, they have like, oh, they're just different sizes. $60.
Cool lifting.
Oh, perfect. Just what I came to Boston for. I love how they're just like new businesses attached to these old buildings. It's so pretty though. I hear live music. Oh, there's a bunch of little swan boats, huh? It's Sunday morning. I'm leaving Boston today, which is so sad because I literally feel like I just got here, but we're on the bus in the afternoon. It is the morning and we're getting ready right now. I'm staying at Marissa's parents' house. So welcome to her childhood room. And yeah, it's raining today. We're gonna do brunch and do a little trolley ride just to see the whole loop of the city. Yeah, just hang out around Prudential before I head back. My bus is at 3:30. Last night was so much fun, and I'm excited for today's half day in Boston. So here we go.
It was officially known as the Bunker Hill Bridge because the support beams there look like the Bunker Hill Monument, and then the different antique shops just on this side of Charles Street alone. So if you're looking for...
Okay, we came to this old converted police station. What is this called? Daniels or something? Dylan's. It's so cute, and they have, well, I don't know if you could call police station cute actually, but they have all these patches.
Police station.
And then like, well, yes, but look at this, it actually looks good. This is avocado toast Benedict. So it has avocado and everything but the bagel seasoning and like hollandaise on the side. And Marissa got this delicious looking, yeah, chicken and waffle sandwich. Got coffee, we're about to dig in.
Oh, they brought me my tea.
And it's Trader Joe's.
I could have done that.
Okay, we just had lunch, brunch, whatever, at this diner, or this restaurant called Dylan. It was so good. I think I got a clip. It was avocado toast Benedict. Iconic. Yeah, now it's 2:30 almost. We did a little like tour around the city this morning on a bus. And now I am about to go get my bus back to New York. Unfortunately, this weekend went so quick, but it was so much fun. So many churches with like construction on top.
I know.
Wow, the vines on that.
That lady was like, it's either winter or it's construction season.
Yeah. That's what people say about Oregon. They're like, there's only, well, there's 4 seasons. Cold, colder, still raining, and construction. That's what they say in Oregon. I'm home now, back in New York. I ordered Sweetgreen for dinner, so I'm about to devour this because I'm starving. And I had such a fun weekend in Boston. I'm like sad that it's over because it was so quick and there's still so much I want to see, so I definitely want to go back. But I'm really glad that I was able to go and see Marissa while she was there because she's headed back to California soon. Great weather, great vibes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I haven't done like a traveling kind of vlog in a while, and hopefully you got some good recommendations from it, or keep it going in the comments if you have recommendations for people going to Boston, what else or what I should try next time. And subscribe if you're not already. And that's it. So love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Good night.